What's going on, everybody? It's Tone Diesel from G Talk 2020, and we got a special gift from our special sponsor, JB's Accessory, all the way from Oklahoma. And they sent it to us, so we about to check out what they got for us. They didn't even tell us, so it's a surprise for me. It's a surprise for y'all. But they just wanted to show some love for. They know we smoke a lot of blunts and a lot of flower, so they got flower accessories, and they also have glass accessories for people who do like dab and wax and all of that. So they got a little bit of everything for everybody. And they gave us some bubblers, some bowls, silicone. That's one of them. The bubblers, the blunt bubblers. You put your blunt inside this part and you just, you know what I mean? So you don't got to worry about all the roaches and everything. That's cool. Appreciate that. Oh, we got the dinosaur smoking pipe and bubbler. That's cool. That's cool. We like that. We got some stickers. Got a lot of stickers.
Put that on my laptop.
Here you go. Little bro wants a sticker, so he gets a sticker, and we can put these on the table for the viewers and for the guests to check them out. And we keeping all these products on the table also. We got the a bowl, and they got the nectar collector. Yeah, that's cool. You just use this to clean it. It's a metal piece. See if I can get it out. It's kind of stuck in here. Okay, so this is the metal piece. And then, you just clean it out. Smoke this shit up. Now you good.
That's
you know what I mean?
up, man. That's love,
So,
man. Shout out to them, man.
Yeah, so shout out JB's Accessories all the way from Oklahoma.
Shout out to them, man.
They gave us a little glass bowl.
They're the real MVPs.
We got some in. Oh, we got the pipe for the dab. Go ahead, go crazy with that.
I don't really fuck with that.
And we got some rings, some smoke rings. This what I like. Put it on your finger. Put the blunt in there. That's cool. You just, you know what I mean? That way the weed don't get on your hands. They got another one too. You put it on your finger, you put the blunt in it, and that way you can just, your fingertips don't gotta smell like weed. So that's some real boss player shit. So
well, I know you can put on that. We can put on the pink.
Who the fuck do he think he is?
So cool. Shout out to JB.
Fuck the pinky with the cup with the teacup.
Got the pinky with the blood.
So shout out to JB's Accessories. Y'all look him on Instagram. His Instagram is JBS Accessories, and he has a crazy website. Make sure you check out the website. Make sure you check his Instagram out, Facebook. Hit him up. He's real cool. He's one of the brothers. He's one of the sponsors of G Talk 2020, and he's a cool dude. We talked on the phone a few times, and yeah, when he comes to Chicago, he'll definitely be on the show. We got a video.
Chicago,
We have a video interview lined up, so that'll be coming soon. And just shout out JB, shout out JB's Accessories, shout out Oklahoma, shout out G Talk 2020. You guys have a blessed and prosperous day. Peace.